Hi guys, welcome to Quiz Frenzy. This is the luxury edition of Would You Rather. Each question has 3 options, and one is a surprise gift. You have 5 seconds to answer, and every correct answer gives you 1 point. Rolls-Royce Phantom or Bentley Mulsanne. Bugatti Chiron, hidden luxury. Chanel perfume or Dior perfume. Body spray, cheap surprise. Gucci sneakers or Prada sneakers. Limited edition Nike, rare find. Louis Vuitton wallet or Hermes wallet. Plastic wallet, total flop. 7-star hotel stay or private island resort. Entire private villa. Cartier bracelet or Tiffany & Co necklace. Fake jewelry, disappointment. Maserati or Aston Martin. Lamborghini, bigger prize. iPhone 17 Pro Max or Samsung Galaxy. $50,000 jackpot. Armani suit or Hugo Boss suit. Custom Italian suit, pure class. Swiss Rolex or Omega Speedmaster. Diamond Rolex, ultimate luxury. Private cruise ship or luxury submarine. Mega yacht, king of seas. Bugatti Chiron or Koenigsegg Jesko. Remote car, funny twist. Gourmet steak dinner or Michelin star sushi. Chef special free dinner. Dubai penthouse or Beverly Hills mansion. Luxury villa, royal life. Champagne or red wine. Vintage wine, priceless. Versace sunglasses or Ray-Ban aviators. Market glasses, cheap pick. Luxury safari or ski trip in Switzerland. Maldives trip, paradise. Caviar or lobster. Street burger, low class. Private jet or first class Emirates flight. Personal jet, ultimate upgrade. Tesla Roadster or Lucid Air. Ferrari S F90. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.